Snatched came about through a brainstorming session. We knew we needed to do something that was affordable, engaging, people-focused, and of course, making sure that we improved our overall health and wellness.
Since attending the Snatch, I have lost 10 pounds and I'm so proud. I feel energetic, increased mobility. Of course, I'm getting compliments, a lot of heads turning.
I saw week after week how they became stronger, and we actually made the workouts and the circuits harder week after week, and to see them step up every single time, there was some tremendous growth that took place during this time.
And it looked like a good opportunity to build relationship with persons that we don't interact on a day-to-day basis and get physically fit. I actually lost 12 pounds in weight and gained a lot of physical ability from it.
I really wanted to focus on the back and the upper body, especially because office workers tend to sit for long hours. So I definitely brought in some elements to loosen up the muscles and then work through different exercises and mobility, and then also stretches to help relieve some of the tension in those areas.
You can tell from the first day where they could have barely done a sit-up, they're doing the advanced versions of the exercises that I give, and it's really amazing seeing in that short space of time the amount of growth that I've seen.
What really is important is the discipline and consistency. So I remind them of that, right? That once you're consistent, once you're disciplined, we'll get to where you need to be.
I heard some things that really made me proud. I heard people learning some of the movements that they liked, and while they were at home, even on weekends or the off days, doing it there. Sometimes they were teaching it to their younger children, siblings and parents. So I mean, that really brought some joy to me, because I know that we're making a difference, not just in this 1 hour, 3 days a week, but it's something that they will continue throughout the year and maybe for the rest of their life.